guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you some hair that I bought from Beauty Forever Hair. I bought this hair back at the 11/11 sale. I've told you in plenty of videos that I'm going to be dispersing these videos on my channel because I got a lot of hair, but I don't start wearing it right away. So what I'm going to be doing is just introducing you to this hair and then giving you updates when I actually start wearing it. So this order was from Beauty Forever Hair, and I kept the box so I can show you what the hair looked like. It's in its original state, and then what it looks like after I made the wig and washed it. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so in the box you get this little letter from Beauty Forever, and then there's a picture of Aaliyah's face on here. She is a YouTuber, but I just recently saw her do a video talking about Eunice hair, so I'm not sure if she's actually a beauty ambassador for Beauty Forever anymore, but whatever, she's beautiful. Love her, love her, love her. I will leave a link to her channel down below in the description box because she's light-skinned like I am, so I kind of like feel like connected to her because she understands the struggles of finding lace that is light enough for our skin tone, because you know, light brown lace is sometimes too dark, you know what I mean? So yeah, love her. Alright, then you get this little envelope in here. I don't remember what was in here, but it's like this little envelope. They give you a pair of those, you know, plastic lashes. I'm going to be throwing these out. They also have a card, their return policy card. They give you two pairs of lashes. Here's one that doesn't look quite so plasticky. But you guys know I don't wear fake lashes anymore. And then they give you a headband that is supposed to look like a piece of hair braided, which this is like a golden brown kind of color, so I don't know why they would put this in with a dark brown wig, but you know, whatever. Anyway, I have a piece of hair left, and let me show you, or let me tell you what I ordered. So I got a closure and 3 bundles. The bundles were 16, 16, and 16, and the closure was 14 inches. Making this wig, I used a different closure because I don't like 4x4, but they didn't offer any bigger closures in this texture. And at the time of purchase, I paid $87.86. That's with all the coupons that I had accumulated. So I'm sure regular price now is a lot higher, but that's what I paid for it. All right, so this is what the hair looks like in the package. This is their super wave texture. And like I said, this is in 16 inches. And I think the origin is Brazilian hair. Yes, it's Brazilian hair. So it comes with a hairnet. So this is what the hair looks like when you get it out of the package. It's very uniform from weft to tip. You don't have any of those straggly ends. And then this is what the ends look like close up. They look very healthy. The hair is very, very soft. Now when I saw this, I immediately thought of like kind of a kinky straight kind of texture, but a little bit softer than kinky straight. But when I show you what the hair looks like now after I washed it, you're just gonna be like, oh, there's nothing special about this hair. But when I first got it out of the package, I was like, ooh, I love this texture. It's so pretty. Like it's got some coarseness to it, but not to the point where it's gonna be like high management. And then this is what the weft looks like. It didn't have a smell. Doesn't have a smell. So, I mean, it's really, really nice hair. And this is in 16 inches. And there's not many of those short pieces either. And when I was making the wig, I didn't see any like different color pieces of hair or different color pieces of yarn. So, this is my first purchase from Beauty Forever Hair, so I'm probably going to be purchasing again maybe later on in 2020, but first impression wise, I like their quality. So I'm going to show you the closure now, and then I'll show you what wig, or the wig that I made using this hair. This is the closure the hair came with. Like I said, tiny little 4x4. I don't rock 4x4s no more. And same texture as the bundles. They match pretty well. Let me hold them up together. So the textures match fairly well. This closure is a little dry toward the ends, but it's nothing that clip and, or like clipping off the ends and a little bit of conditioner can't help. The knots are not bleached, and this is not pre-plucked. Or maybe it is. Actually, it looks pre-plucked. I lied. It looks pre-plucked, but I don't think it was marketed that way. But as you can see, it's definitely not bleached. And this is medium brown lace. So, like, that's definitely not gonna match my skin tone. So that's why I decided to go with a different closure. And if you guys have been watching my channel, you know I rock with Barry's hair for all of my closures, for all of my transparent closures. They're fabulous, and that's what I used to create this wig. So let's get into the wig, okay? Alright, so this is what the wig looks like. As you can see, transparent lace. And I used a loose wave closure to match this texture. Now, this is the Beauty Forever hair. It is gorgeous. But as you can see, since I got it wet, and it's dry now, all it is a loose curly texture, and what they're selling you is this texture straightened out a little bit, like kind of like a blown out version of this texture. So I don't know how much they're charging right now for this hair, but you can get the same texture of hair from another company. So if they are like charging a crap ton for this new super wave, like, there's nothing really new about it. It's loose curly hair that has been blow dried straight. That's all it is. So if you want to get that texture back, you're going to have to either use a flat iron, or you're going to have to use a hair dryer with that comb attachment to get it back to the original state of the hair. But as far as softness goes, like this hair is gorgeous. I did not do anything special to this hair. I just did a wash and condition, and then I let it sit in some deep conditioner for a day. And this is how it turned out. Like, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous texture. Like I said, it's loose curly. The ends are pretty uniform. They don't look crusty or musty and dry. This is what the hair looks like in the front. Now, like I said, this closure is not from Beauty Forever. This is a Barry's hair closure. I will leave the link to all the companies that I'm mentioning down below in the description box. But this, I did not pre-pluck, or I did not pluck this. This came pre-plucked. And this is a 7x7 closure, because you guys know I like the most natural looking closure wigs possible. I'm not really into frontals anymore. I mean, I'll wear them occasionally, but most of the time you'll just see me rocking a big ass closure like this. So this is what the hair is looking like. So I'm going to pop it on and show you how it looks, you know, freshly made and all that jazz. So let me just show you what it looks like on the inside. I sew my wigs on mesh dome caps, and I seal my weft, or I seal my knots with a mixture of Dritz fabric glue and the Bold Hold active hair glue. Fits like a glove. Now, like I said, I haven't put any color on this. I'm not going to be gluing this down because I have a hair appointment today to get my braids redone, and I've actually been rocking blonde hair lately, which I can show you that wig. It's sitting here drying. This is the wig that I've been rocking lately. I could do a dedicated video on this later, but I just wanted to show you what this wig looks like with this super wave texture, because this is like their newest texture or whatever. But I freaking love it. And then, you know, when you're buying hair from two different companies, sometimes you're like, well, I get anxious about not being able to blend the textures. But as you can see, this loose wave closure from Barry's hair matches perfectly with this super wave texture from Beauty Forever. So if you are trying to get this look, closure from Barry's hair, bundles from Beauty Forever. And at the time of purchase, they did not offer the bundles by themselves. They do now. So you don't have to waste your money on a closure like I did if you don't want to. But like I said, they didn't have that option when I purchased my product. So yeah. So this is what the hair looks like. I'll bring it forward. Now, of course, if you are into thicker hair, you can put a crap ton of bundles on your wigs. I'm more into a natural look. Of course, I have my like special event wigs where I'll pile a whole bunch of tracks on a wig and make it look very voluminous. But my day-to-day, I usually be rocking the natural like this. And this texture will get bigger when you brush it out. I currently have a curl cream on it. That's how I defined the waves. But it's still got a lot of movement. Very, very pretty. This would be great, a great texture if you like longer lengths, because it doesn't seem like it's going to be high maintenance. You know, you're not going to have a whole lot of tangling. Of course, I haven't worn this wig yet. I literally just finished it last night, and I'm not even going to be wearing it. But when I give you my update, I will let you know if I get any kind of tangling or matting, because sometimes when you choose to have more of a curlier texture, those can be some issues that you run into. But just feeling the texture right now, it doesn't seem like it'll be that way. It's kind of like that wet and wavy kind of look, like, which, you know, I think pretty much everyone loves. It's very low maintenance, and if you want it straight, you just put a straightening iron into it. So let me turn around so you can see the back. Okay guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And if you want to check out Beauty Forever Hair or Barry's Hair Company, I will leave the direct links to the products down below in the description box. So, oh, and don't forget to ring the bell, because I know, like, I haven't received any comments saying they can't find my videos, but I'm trying to get my content out there. I'm trying to share myself with the world. So please hit that bell button if you don't want to miss any more content, and or if you want to be notified about my content. I mean, let me get it together. If you want to be notified about my content, hit the bell, and I hope to see you in the next video.